Hi there. This is a very short video, mainly made for me just to keep track of things for how we did analyze the fMRI data of the morphology study. So I'm following my advisor, Professor Tali Bitan, and our colleagues' approach to the data. So thank you, Tali. Thanks, Upasana, for transferring me the scripts. I'll just go quickly over it, so it will be easier to remember if I want to in the future time. So what we did basically is we took in specific contrast and anatomical ROIs that we were interested in. We took the top 100 activated voxels, and then we took these voxels to the Mars bar to extract the estimates, the betas, and this turned out to increase the statistical power. So I'll briefly go over the scripts, where they are located, etc. Let me share the screen here. So first we're looking at a script called top 100 voxels. And within this one, you should mainly look at the lines or the purple lines that you should change accordingly with your data. So here's my path. You should make sure your subjects are all organized in the same way, of course, as this is a recommendation anyway. And their directories are in numbers. Then defined where your SPM files are for each subject, and the SPMT NII files with the number of contrasts that you are interested in. The output directories you should create it, or it will be created, but just define its name, and where all our UNI RIs files, so the directory for the RIs files. And the text file, which is the output containing the XYZ coordinates with the T value, so values, so just give it a name here. And pay attention that this script is dependent with some subscripts or functions. So one of them is the SPM results. Pay attention that you should have this one in path, and you should also change the path accordingly with your data here, the number of contrasts that you are analyzing at the moment, and where all the NII ROI files are located. Yeah, so as you can see, it is running for all of the ROIs at the same time and all of your subjects, but only one contrast at a time. So I believe if you really want to, you can create a loop for running this across the different contrasts. After you're done, as I've said, you have text files and .my files for each subject, for each ROI, containing the top 100 activated voxels within each ROI and contrast. And then you're taking these to the Mars bar to extract the estimates. So here we have another script called RI script, Mars bar individual. And here as well, you have to define the RI names as they appear, of course, in your directories and subject names. Your path to the SPM files, I believe, and the RI.my files that created in the previous script. And then I created here text XLSX text file containing all the data estimates, so one value for each subject in each RI within a specific contrast. And of course, you can run these for all of your contrasts that you are interested in. So I guess that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope for me it will happen in the future, and see you next time.